Welcome to Besto Clinic, your clinic anytime, anywhere. In this video, we'll walk you through the recruitment section in Besto Clinic. From the sidebar menu, under Recruitment, click on Jobs. Here, you can manage job postings and track applications efficiently. To create a new job posting, click on Post New Job and fill in the required details such as job title, department, employment type, job description, then salary range, role requirements, and location. Once completed, you can either save the job as a draft or publish the listing. Your created job posting will appear here, where you can view, edit, or delete it whenever needed. Candidates can apply for these job openings directly through the Besto Clinic website. In Careers page, you'll find all the published job listings. By selecting a job, candidates can view the complete job details and apply for that job. This is how you can manage recruitment and job postings in Besto Clinic. Have questions or need assistance? Connect with us and follow our social media handles to stay updated with everything Besto Clinic.